Welcome guys. Today our topic is WhatsApp scheduling. Maybe so many people don't know about this WhatsApp scheduling. WhatsApp does not have a feature to schedule any message within the app. Having said that, there are several third-party apps available on Google Play Store that lets users schedule any message at the given time and date. So with these apps we can send the messages and your message will now be scheduled. Whenever the date and time of your scheduled message arrives, you'll receive a notification on your phone asking you to complete the action. Tap send and you'll see your scheduled message being sent in real time. So now let's begin our video and go for gadgets. So now for scheduling the messages we should download Schedit app. Schedit is a free and easy-to-use scheduling app that lets you schedule WhatsApp messages, schedule SMS, send emails later, schedule posts, and set call reminders. This top-rated Android scheduling app acts like your personal virtual assistant. Put your communication on autopilot with Schedit, the free 5-inch-1 WhatsApp scheduler, SMS scheduler, Facebook post scheduler, call scheduler, and email scheduler. Schedule WhatsApp messages, SMS, and emails to be sent later automatically. Save countless hours lost in tedious back and forth messaging each day. Streamline all your communication so it runs smoothly. Calmly breeze through your day not worrying about sending message reminders or last-minute phone calls. Schedule WhatsApp messages, automatic emails, and call reminders to be sent to yourself. Enjoy effortlessly staying in sync with your plans through the power of automated reminders. Swift, automated communication makes everything fall into place like clockwork. Relax as you sail through your day, having already planned it yesterday. Some services are not compatible with all devices, especially older ones with older OS, and require strict requirements for their automation to function properly. E.g. removing screen lock. More details in Help Center, as the service itself does not provide any automation capabilities, hence the macro workaround. Now take your mobile and open Play Store app and search the Schedit app and you should download the app. I have already downloaded the app. Now open the Schedit app. After that you should agree all the terms before use. Then now create a own account. Or you can log in with the Facebook. After login, then wait some time till the loading until 5 seconds you should wait. Afterward tap on WhatsApp. Then it will ask to enable. Then it will take you settings app. Then you should find the Schedit app and enable it. Afterward it will take to another. And in the settings app again enable the Schedit app. After that you should write a message to your friend or someone. Or something like a happy birthday to you. Or any different. What do you want? Next select your recipient. Who would you want to post a message? And you should select the time for your post. And you should select which date you want. And tap on Ask me before sending. Then save your post. And thanks for watching our video. Hush.